a day in my life as AIS student. During our weekends, we spend our time finishing our RPH promotional video of Bulacan, showcasing its culture and heritage sites. That day, it has a bad weather because naabutan kami ng malakas na ulan nung nagkikita-kita pa lang kami. But luckily, pagdating namin sa place kung saan kami magsushoot, sobrang payapa ng panahon. We're here at Baraswain Church. Hi guys, we're at Baraswain Church and magbe-video kami para sa RPH namin. Of course, kasama ang Visayas 101, pupunta tayo inside the church and the museum to see what makes this place as a historical place. I'm with Jocelyn at naglalakad na kami ngayon.
Sobrang init guys.
So nasa loob kami ng Baraswain Church. Ang napakaganda dito. Ito naman yung part ng kanilang museum. This is one of my favorite place na napuntahan namin ng mga klase ko because napag-aralan lang namin siya sa RPH and hindi ko naman expected na kami mismo yung makakapunta dito sa place. As a souvenir to this place, bumili nga ako ng Aitas flute. Second place na pinuntahan namin is itong Casa Real where nandito yung replica ng Noli Me Tangere and other information ng Constitution.
So ngayon nandito kami sa Baliwag Museum and Library.
As a person who love and appreciate art, sobrang matutuwa kayo sa pagpunta dito. Nakaka-amaze isipin kung paano nila na-preserve yung ganito kagandang lugar. I forgot to take videos of their paintings here inside. Pero sa entrance pa lang, makikita mo na napakagaganda talaga ng mga paintings nila na naka-display inside.
For our last stop, we're here at Baliwag Church. Hi guys, we're here at Baliwag Market. Malapit sa church. Balot. Mga gagandang model.
Nag-crave nga si Jocelyn sa buko juice kaya nailibre pa tayo. Grabe kahit walang lasa yung buko juice, masarap kasi libre. Wala kasi siyang sweetener or condensed, kaya yung lasa niya is parang yelo lang din. At dahil may panulak na tayo, sinamahan na rin namin to ng street foods. Sinama ko na rin yung mga clips from day 2 kasi sa tingin ko, hindi makakompleto ang day 1 namin without this day 2.
Hi guys, so we're at Korean temple. And outfit check.
We are super happy and na-enjoy namin yung ganitong mga moments as a whole section and talagang sa biyahe namin na puno ng joy and laughter. And that's all. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.